Ever feel like you're stuck planning all the time but not actually doing anything? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes using the free version of ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm here on ChatGPT, completely free to use, and I will type this in. Give me a simple 10-minute action plan to move forward in my online business today. Include only one task I can do immediately with no budget. Then hit enter. Now it's giving me one clear task I can actually do right now. This one says to write and post a quick tip or story on social media. Something valuable for your audience, plus a call to action to boost engagement. No overthinking, no guessing, just forward motion. You can run the same prompt every morning to stay out of planning mode and start doing instead. If you want to take it further, check out the Confidence Challenge. It's a step by step program that helps you build confidence, shift your mindset, and most importantly, turn that confidence into real action by launching and monetizing what you love. Step 5 of the challenge shows you beginner friendly online business models you can start with no tech skills or expensive equipment. The link's right below this video. Try the ChatGPT prompt now, but if you are ready for a deeper shift, go check out the challenge.